And special thanks to our friends over at Auvon who were nice enough to send us this weekly pill organizer. As you can see, you get 7 days of the week, 2 times a day. Moisture-proof design, easy to use, large storage and double protection. And there's the sticker on the back. So love this little design to open the box. Like that's magnificent. So we take this on out. Oh wow, look at that. So here, that's it for the box. I guess it's self-explanatory. And this is it. Wow. Take this plastic off. And there you go, you got this nice plastic container to carry everything around in. This even actually, look at that. Nicely locks, got a nice little seal around here. Love the green color. And of course, you have one for every day of the week. Now, these are not labeled with like moons or anything, just a 1 and a 2 on every side. So, you know, morning, night, essentially the same in many ways. So, but that's what these would look like. You'd be able to put whichever medications or vitamins you take right in here. And this nice rubber seal keeps them nice and tidy for you. And you're able to keep control of making sure you take your medication or supplements or vitamins. Thanks again to my friends at this company who were nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.